we're going to explain the library source does not match the bytecode for class error. This frustrating error typically pops up in Java or Android development, and it means your project is using a library's compiled code, bytecode, that's different from the source code the compiler is currently looking at. Think of it like having two versions of a recipe. One you're reading, the source code, and one the chef is actually using, the bytecode. If they don't match, you'll have problems. Here's a breakdown of the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Conflicting library versions. This is the most frequent culprit. You might have multiple versions of the same library in your project, perhaps from different dependencies or manually added jar files. The compiler might be seeing one version, while your project is running another, causing the mismatch. Clean your project's build directory and carefully check your dependencies to ensure there's only one version of each library. Tools like Maven or Gradle help manage dependencies and can resolve version conflicts. 2. Outdated IDE or build tools. Outdated development environments, like Eclipse or IntelliJ, or build tools like Maven or Gradle, can sometimes cause issues. They might not properly handle library updates or cache old versions of the bytecode, resulting in the mismatch. Updating your IDE and build tools to their latest versions is a simple yet effective troubleshooting step. 3. Incorrect project configuration. Problems with your project's configuration files, like write single quote pom.xml write single quote for Maven, or write single quote build.gradle write single quote for Gradle, can lead to this error. Double-check that your dependencies are correctly declared and that there are no typos or inconsistencies in your configuration. A single incorrect character can cause significant problems. 4. Corrupted libraries. It's possible a downloaded library is corrupted. Try deleting the problematic library and re-downloading it. If you're using a dependency manager, it might automatically re-download, but manually deleting it and doing a clean build will ensure a fresh download. 5. Caching issues. Your build system might be caching an older version of the library. Clearing the build cache often resolves this. Most build systems have a clear cache option. Use that and then rebuild your project. 6. Improperly imported jars. If you've manually added jar files to your project's class path, double-check that the files are correctly placed and are not duplicates of those already managed through your dependency management system. 7. External modifications. If you've directly modified a library's jar file, which you generally shouldn't do, this can create a mismatch. Revert to the original, unmodified library file. In summary, the library source does not match the bytecode for class error is usually caused by inconsistencies in your project's libraries and configuration. Systematic checking of dependencies, cleaning the build, updating tools, and carefully reviewing your configuration files is the best approach to resolve this. Remember to always utilize a dependency management system to avoid this situation in the future.